Hey guys, and what's up, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do this type of portrait effect editing, and guys, in my next video I will show you how to edit this type of photo. You can see before and after in the screen. So if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates, and let's keep watching full video and each steps to edit photo like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started.